Okay, I thought I'd just do an extra little video before I get stuck into removing the bumper and then the valance. And I thought I'd have a look at the number plates because I thought they were actually homemade. Now, I don't think they actually are. Whether they're the originals and have been repainted, I don't know. So someone must know. So if you can drop me a comment in the comment section below to let me know, I'd appreciate that. But anyway, as you can see, they've been hand painted with a brush, and although they don't look bad, they don't look particularly good either. As you can see, if you zoom in a little bit, and the front one in itself is held on by 4 different size, look to be wood screws to me. 3 are slots and 1's a Phillips head, and also there's a space there for one of the screws. The rear number plate, zoom out a little bit, is held on with 4 wood screws as well, but at least 3 of these are the same size. And if we turn this number plate over, and one of the reasons for saying that I think they could be original is that they're made of aluminium, and they've also been, the numbers and the letters have been pressed. So again, I think they could be original, but then again I don't know for sure. So if we now have a look at the front number plate plinth, just zoom in a little bit, it's in pretty good condition, and as you can see there, it's removed by undoing 2 bolts and it'll just pull out. And as I say, it's in pretty good condition. There's no evidence of any rust anywhere on that. So if we have a wander around to the rear of the car. Oh, before I go any further, I just spotted that there is a nasty crack, oops, just there in the front headlight, so that needs replacing before I take it for its MOT soon. So, wandering around the back of the car, we can see that this number plate plinth is not in quite as good condition. There's evidence of corrosion pitting underneath the paint, and there's a patch that's been welded in there. Not particularly well. This number plate plinth can be taken off by again undoing 2 bolts. So I'll be taking that off as well, and whether I'll leave it like that, I know it's hidden, but you know it's there, so I'll probably be doing something about that as well. So there we go, just a quick little video really to show the state of the number plates, and yeah, a bit more work to do. And I can show you quite a bit more around here, but I'll leave those for another video, and I don't want to go off track from doing the front valance. And quite timely, someone's just started doing their lawn, so I'll sign off here, and I'll see you very soon in the next one, where we'll be taking the bumper off and the front valance. Bye.